So folks, today I've been starting to remove this old wall, as I told you in some of the previous videos, in order to free more space, and because as you see here there was that tree bush kind of, it's not exactly tree, and I'm gonna have to clear this and the rooting system of this thing. And I'm removing stone from this old stone wall. This was not the wall, actually. This was just the border of an ancient road where donkeys and donkeys and horses were passing by. So as you can see, I am separating these small stones, like small and medium, mostly like smallish stones, and separating the bigger ones and the medium ones over there and over there. That's gonna be along the future walls. So the other corner is there. You see how is being formed the place of the first wall. Okay, I wanted to tell you about these stones. Why I separate them? Because we're gonna need these stones in the future to put on the bottom of the trench for your cob house. You're gonna need to make a drainage system for the water that goes inside the trench and inside the base of your walls, the part of the walls that is under the ground. You're gonna first start with setting and putting up small stones and I don't know the word anyway, but before you start building the wall in the trenches, you will need to press small stones to make a drainage system for the water to go down, which will have a little bit, every wall will have a little bit of slope. Every trench is gonna have a little bit of slope, so the water that goes inside the base of the walls in the future is going to go under these stones, and on the bottom of the trench is gonna go down the slope and out of the way area of your house. So this is very, very important thing. That's why because I want to save materials, I don't want to buy special small stones that they will have to use diesel fuel with the trucks that is going to need to bring to the area with the truck. This is going to be not so eco-friendly. So our eco house must be done the most eco-friendly the possible, and as you can see, that's why I separate these stones stone by stone, stone by stone, while digging out the bigger stones that I'm gonna use later on for the drainage system. And as you can see, it's about 5-meter wall, and the other wall will be a little bit under those stone pile. It's gonna, you can see here's gonna be the corner. Exactly where this bush was is going to be the corner of the wall, and then it's gonna all come up to here, and you can see how it's going to be kind of a 5 by 5 meter on the spot you see on the screen now. Something like that is going to be the future Eco Cob Workhouse. The first phase is the Eco Cob Workhouse, which is this thing here. I have to go help a friend. I have more time and more light of the day, but I promise to help a friend set up his Shopify payment system for his future website, because I have experience with this myself for my website. I'm gonna show him how he can set up his payment system on the future website he is gonna release. So, oh, I lost the focus. Alright folks, thank you for watching, and once again, follow for more. Please subscribe, like and share this video if you want to help me grow, and if you want to receive all kinds of tips while we build this future Cob Eco Workshop. And tomorrow I continue with some tasks here, and you can check the playlist in the video description below. The playlist Eco Cob House and Workshop. You can find in this playlist all the videos that you're gonna need to watch that are already there, and the ones that I'm gonna be putting there about the Cob work project, the Eco Cob project. So this is so far, and let me show you in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye, folks.